Hey everybody, welcome back to another exciting run of trains today. I'm Sports Fan 07 and today we're here at the Watkins Yard just outside, about a mile and a half. And we got an eastbound CSX train waiting in the siding. He's waiting to come into access to Parsons Yard. I haven't seen any other indications yet. That has actually been yet to be determined. I really am excited. Today has been It's been a good start so far. And looks like we have signals that are red. I can't really see much of it. And today we got a CSX that's waiting at the Watkins Yard. He'll be waiting to proceed down the spur here. It'll take him over to Parsons Avenue on the right. It's a beautiful day. It's 2:09 p.m. A little bit 9 minutes after 2. And, you know, today I really can't ask for anything better because today has been kind of it's been like more of a slow day, I'm not going to lie. And I don't know what we got here. That CSX train's going to be kind of slowly moving here, but he's got like a short manifest, I can't tell. I haven't really checked anything. There's just been no other indication lately since. So, we got mostly red. I think track 1 or track 2 might have a indication, I can't tell. Yeah, the CSX manifest is going to be merging here. I think we have a clear indication. Nope. I looked at it. I was actually kind of wrong. I didn't look at it. It's just so bright out here. I can't even see it. So symbol on that train is going to be CSX 130. So he's coming over by the spur. So he'll be going into the turn here at the Y. And he'll be making his way down to Parsons Avenue, Parsons Yard. So that's going to be cool. He's got a boxcar there, and he's going to take the train down there. Maybe a couple of freight cars that are going to be going to. Oh, wait. He does have a caboose. Oh, my gosh. CSX locomotive 5371. Or no, I'm sorry, it's 5338. CSX local. 5338. Locomotive was actually just a short train coming to the spur. Yeah, you can tell. Don't forget to check my YouTube channel. Awesome. Awesome. AC44CW. That is so cool. Yeah, it's symbol on that train is going to